Today we learn this video transmission mode, transmission impairment and data rate limits. Transmission mode, transmission impairment and data rate limits. In this first is transmission mode. Transmission mode means transferring of data between the two devices. It is also known as the communication mode. Buses and networks are designed to allow communication to over the between individual devices that is are interconnected. Transmission mode, there are three types of: simple mode, half duplex mode, full duplex mode. First is the simplex mode. In this mode, the communication is under unidirectionally, means only one of the two devices is a link can transmission, other can only receive. For example, from the computer, that printers, and from all input devices, keyboard, mouse, etc. Simplex mode, first device is sender can be direction of flow at all time is receiver, that is device 2. Half duplex mode, in this mode communication is bidirectional, which means each station can transmission and receiver but not at the same time. When one device is sending, the other can only receive and vice versa. For example, walkie-talkie. Full duplex mode, where the communication is directly, both sender and receiver can transmit and receive data simultaneously. For example, Facebook. We can transmit and receive message at the same time, cell phone and computer. Download the app, load files at the same time. First workstation, direction of data all the time, then the send is only workstation. Transmission impairment, the signal received may be different from the signal transmitted. The effect will be degrade the signal quality of analog signals and introduce bit errors of digital signal. There are three types of transmission impairments: attenuation, delay, distortion and noise. A transmission is a property transmission medium which is the signal to be degraded, reduced in amplitude, distorted and contaminated. There are three cases impairment. First is attenuation, distortion and noise. First is attenuation. Attenuation is the reduction of the signal strength during the transmission. It is opposite of the inflection and is normal when the signal is sent from one point to another. It is basically affect the propagation of waves and signal in the electric circuit. Attenuation is measured is disabled. Second one is the distortion. Distortion is known as alternation of original signal. This happens in the wireless transmission or composite signals because the medium gets changed by the time. When the distortion shape of waveform is changed, the various types of distortion, amplitude and harmonic. Noise. The random is unpredictable electric signal coming from the both internal and external portion of the system which interferes the reception of required signal. It is called as a noise. Noise basically interferes the transmission from sender to receiver. Point 1 is transmitted, middle noise is from transmission medium, and point 2 is receiver. Then third is data rate limits. Data rate, it is defined as amount of data transmitted during a specific time period. Over a network, it is the speed at which data transferred from one device to another or between the peripheral device and the computer. A very important in data communication is how we can send data in bits per second. Our channel data rate depends on three factors: bandwidth, channel, signal level, channel quality, level of noise. Two theoretical formulas were developed to calculate the data rate. One by Nyquist for noiseless channel, another by Shannon for noisy channel. First is for noiseless channel, Nyquist bit rate. For a noisy channel, Shannon capacity. It is generally computed in bits per second because higher data rate are expressed by kbs. Thank you.